Hi everybody, it's Ken.
And Bella.
And welcome to the...
We have a cat row.
So tonight we're going to do something a little different. We got this box of BeanBoozled from Five Below. So if you don't know what BeanBoozled is, it is Jelly Belly jelly beans. It contains weird and wild flavors. This one has a little spinning wheel. It tells you what color you and your partner are going to eat, or your competitor are going to eat.
Oh,
So,
I love the animal.
they all look alike, but some of the flavors include Stinky Socks, or it could be Tutti-Frutti, rotten egg or buttered popcorn, barf or peach, booger or juicy pear. I don't know. I don't think I like either one of those. I don't like pear. I know that. You kind of like booger. I've seen you.
No, I like peel. I like that one and both of them.
You like both of them, so you don't mind. So okay. Baby wipes or coconut.
I don't like baby.
I don't think I would like them either. Lawn clippings or lime. Toothpaste or berry blue. Canned dog food or chocolate pudding. Moldy cheese or caramel corn. Skunk spray or licorice.
I don't like buckway. I like the ucky.
Okay, so we're going to unpackage this. So there was a protective wrap on it. So there's the box. And then it comes with a spinner. And it comes with in the tray. There's our beans. All the different colored beans. And then it looks like this is where you're supposed to crash. Maybe put the beans once you select the color from the spinner. So I'm going to put these ones back. And then Sarah, if you would do the honors and spin it. Okay.
Black.
Black. So I'll pick out a black and you pick out a black. Hold on, we'll do it together. Alright, so black can be skunk spray or licorice. Ready? On three. 1, 2, 3. Well, I got the skunk spray for sure. She got black licorice, which I don't know that she likes anyway. But the skunk was bad.
I got a skunk in it too.
You didn't get. Did you get skunk too?
I got it in it. I got skunk in it.
So.
No, what the?
So we both got skunk.
This is Aki. I got
So, okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
What do you got?
Well, I got toothpaste. No, it's not bad.
I got mint.
You got a mint?
Yeah. That's good.
It's good? Okay. That one didn't go so bad. Okay, on 3, green one.
Let me make chewing.
What's yours? Is it lime? I got lawn clippings. It's just like mowing the grass. What do you got? You got lime? You got lime, didn't you?
The winner of gas, but it's lime.
It's lime. Alright, pick another color. We'll do one more. Grass clippings. Oh.
Take the blue one again. Take the blue.
Well, no. We've already done blue. Let's do something different. Do these dark ones. Let's do these ones.
What's those ones?
You ready? I'm not telling you. 1, 2, 3.
I got a lame one.
So that one was canned dog food.
I need a dick.
That was very bad. Yeah, I need a drink. So are we done playing the game?
Yeah.
Okay, everybody. So thank you for watching. We Have a Cat Show's BeanBoozled edition. Check it out. It's pretty fun. Alright. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Tell them bye.
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 That was weird.
That was weird.